Hey y'all, and welcome to today's video. In today's video, all I'm going to be doing is simply decorating my 3-tier tray that sits on top of my little island here in the kitchen. It is in need of some decorating and some help. You see, I got a piece of cake over there in the cake plate, and I usually use this 3-tier tray to put like bananas, apples, avocados, different things like that. So that's why it looks a hot mess right now, is because I do kind of keep it decorated a little bit, but I mostly make it function for fruits and vegetables and things like that we can walk by and just grab all of the time. But for Easter, I wanted to have just a little spot dedicated just for a little bit of Easter decor. So I thought, well, this little area would be great, the little 3-tier tray, and I could just move a basket over to the other cake plate to put some of my fruits and vegetables in, at least for a couple of weeks, because I mean, really Easter's only a couple of weeks away, and that's really all the time that I wanted this decor to be out. So let's get busy decorating this 3-tier tray for Easter. Okay, y'all, you're going to see me show you several things that I purchased from Hobby Lobby in 2019. These items were all anywhere from 75% off to actually I got them for 90% off, I believe. I just brought them home last year after the sale and put them in storage so that I could use them this year to decorate with. I'm just going to go ahead and tell you that now because I will be showing you several items that I purchased last year at Hobby Lobby rather than me having to tell you every time I show an item. I'm just going to tell you all at once. Okay, and right here, I'm just going to show you real quick. I put one of those Hearth and Hand eggs down in this basket because I'm about to put a little bunny in there, and I want to give it some height. I want it to kind of look like it's sticking up out of the basket. Or, I mean, I kind of wanted the rabbit to look like he was nestled down in some grass or a little bush. And so that's the look that I was trying to get. And this cute little thing I got at our church garage sale a little while back. I actually used a couple of these in our homeschool room when I decorated a shelf not too long ago. I'll put up a little link so you can see how I used those in that video. And the little yellow bird, I purchased it at Walmart probably a year or two ago. Right here, I'm showing you that I put those little eggs that I showed you at the beginning. I put them in this little wire basket looking chicken that I've had forever, and I got this also either thrifting at a garage sale, but I wanted you to be able to see the eggs. And because my 3-tiered tray, you see it from all sides, like we walk all around in our kitchen, it's kind of like an island, and so when you're walking around you see the back of the 3-tiered tray. So I wanted you to be able to see the eggs, and I thought this would just be perfect for it. Okay, y'all, here's what it looked like when I finished with it the first time. And I say the first time because I did not end up liking how everything looked. I like how most of it looked, but I end up moving a few things around and taking a few things away. I don't know, it just felt a little stuffy in some of the areas. And I like to get your feedback and see what you think. We're going to call this one, I guess, option 1, and see here in a minute what you think about option 2. Here is the back of the tiered tray. Like, you can walk around our island and see the back of the tiered tray, so I like to make sure that it is decorated also. And I don't know, so here in just a minute I'll show you option 2. Give me your opinions. Did you like option 1 or option 2? And a couple of the other little things you might see on the little stand beside my 3-tiered tray is this little hand towel that I got. I got this also at Hobby Lobby. And then the little rabbit that you see, he's sitting on the pedestal, he actually came from Salvation Army not too long ago, well, before the shutdown of everything. So I have him kind of placed up there on that pedestal. I don't think I have even the video out yet where I show where I've bought him. I'm working on those, so you'll be seeing that soon.